went to Screwfix and totally realised that I forgot to turn the GoPro on. So anyway, down there somewhere is Screwfix, and I had to go just get a few bolts and terminals. So we got them. And now I'm gonna go back and fix it. I've had to get a train here. The train is really nice. So I'll show you the train now. This gives me an idea. I've got a friend called Michael. Say hi, Michael.
Hi, Michael.
Michael's got a train vlog, and you should go and check that out, because we're also going to do a 2-part vlog on the trains and the canals and how they have actually connected. As you saw my train drive earlier, and I had to go to Screwfix, although I didn't get the Screwfix inside the shop. I did go and get these. These are a little bit longer, meaning that we can add a few more terminals on there, and we still have enough thread on the bolt itself. So, gonna put these in. We won't need all of them. Got a pack of 10, pretty cheap. I think they were like £3.60, could be wrong, but double check. And I think the terminals we got earlier, I think they were like something like £2 something.
We'll try and find them on the internet and put a link in the description if we can.
Oh yeah, definitely. But it all come up to like literally £5.70 for them both, and then £3 for my train ticket. Bolt, washer, this thing I can never remember the name of. Into there. I've already done one in here, so I can get it going. Got the same there. So then this goes into there. We're going to be connecting these two batteries together and these two batteries together, and then we'll be taking 2 equal wires to take from this one here to there and that one there to there. Right, so like I say, long bolt, doesn't matter, long bolt, still put the washer on, then the, y'all put it down in the comment what that thing is called, one of you know, one of you. At the moment I am just doing them up finger tight and getting them into position. I should probably say, I am not trained and I've never done this before, this is my first time, but I have been advised by actual engineer, which George's dad, Bam Bam, an electrical engineer how to do this, so this is why I am happy to vlog about this and show you how it's done, because he has sat down for many days now and explained to me in full detail of how to do this. Right, so I'm having to use this at the moment because between me and Bam Bam we haven't been able to get the tools down to each other, because we're using tools between both the boats at the moment and he's a bit stuck, so he can't come down to help me with these. So at the moment I'm trying to dig out just a little groove so I can put the wires in and they can fit in, and then it's not going in and out of the box, it's just going through the box. So yeah, thank you. But if you keep watching, you'll see how we're going to get the electric on today. This wire, he has been the bugger. Been looking for this for about an hour. Not only have I been looking for this for about an hour, this is the light. I need this.
Demonstrate.
Let me show you.
Demonstrate.
So, a little spark is okay when you touch things. I'm only going to touch it on there. I'm going to screw it down in a minute. But yeah, so I'll show you now. This type of spark is okay. Yeah, you can see that spark. That is okay. So that is our lights, and we will be sorted.
And we're going to demonstrate. Hang on a minute. Tap it on there again. Yay!
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 Right.
Yay!
So for this little part, I thought I would show you how to take volt readings off a voltmeter from the batteries. Now, first thing first, remember that you always put the red on the red and the black on the black, otherwise you get a negative reading. So that's something we don't want, and on here we want definitely 12 volts reading, a little bit over possibly. I did check this earlier with these batteries over here.
Meter here, and I can hold it by the screen.
Yeah, of course. There you go. So red on the red, black on the black, and we should have, yep, there we go,
12.18.
yep. Check the other one, the battery next to it, just to double check that they're both reading the same. Yeah,
12.18.
yeah, and that's what they were reading on the other two batteries, so that is perfect. Yeah, so with these, remember, red on the red, black on the black, otherwise you get a negative reading. It's perfect. Now the only thing I need to do now is get a little bit of Vaseline, put them on the top of the metal pieces on here, and that just gives them a little bit of extra I don't know, just keeps them nice, to be quite honest. And yeah, we'll get that done, and we're all fully done. Inverter working, all linked up. So adding the Vaseline onto the terminals. Didn't actually have any proper Vaseline, so I've had to go through George. Oh, I assumed it was going to be one of your flavours. It's actually real Vaseline. Adding the Vaseline to the terminals is just going to keep them a little bit nice, and they'll last longer then. Just gives it a little bit of that professional touch, which I have not got. So Dan's tip of the day: do not touch the red and the black together. You will be the whole circuit together. I mean, it's 12 volts, but yeah, I wouldn't advise it. As you can tell, there's still a few wires around, and I need to get a few little holes into the side of the boxes. I do not have the tools because, like I said, me and Bam Bam have been using tools between both the boats, and he's got that certain tool that I need. So as soon as I get the drill, which I need to buy one for my own boat, to be quite honest, we're going to get some holes into the side and get all the wires neatened up so they're not actually in the way like this. Like I said, I just wanted to get the electric on, and that's what's done. So mission accomplished.
Thanks for watching the third part in our battery replacement series.
We hope you enjoyed watching, and if you haven't already, go check out part 1 or part 2.
And finally, we'll leave you with an example of what not to do.